How to hide online status on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide online status on Telegram. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen, and from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the option label settings. And once you are in the settings section, simply tap on the option label privacy and security. And this is where the magic happens. Now here, simply look for last seen and online. And this settings lets you decide who can see your online status. So simply tap on that. Now here, as a default, it is set to everybody. But to hide your online status on Telegram, you should simply tap on nobody. And after that, just tap on the tick button shown in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Now you have full control over your online visibility on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.